occasion. This is not just an Aqua Flask event. This is not just a launch of the Kapinpin Brothers collection. This is, in fact, a birthday celebration for Sir Gavin. Pwede ko po ibang maliwan lahat. Tumayo po! Stand up, everybody! Let us all stand up right now. And we're going to sing the happy birthday song twice. One slow and one fast. And alam ko may mikropono ako ngayon. Pero kailangan yung boses mo ang maririnig ko. I think we're ready, Maestro. Play that music. Everybody hands up! Let's sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, lower the voice. Let's go! Clap your hands!
To you.
Make it louder, make it louder! Everybody clap your hands!
Thank you po, Saya-saya! Thank you po. Yung cake ko po, ano na ayusin nyo!
Makasayang lang yan.
Ang mahal-mahal ang pinili mo sa akin to. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Ang wish ko lang po ay sana mas maging masaya pa tayo araw-araw at matulog tayo na walang bigat ng loob. Maraming salamat po sa lahat at mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Thank you po.
Pwede po ba mag-take two tayo sa candle blowing?
Ano
Gusto ko lang po
Loses.
makuha yung reaction and yung photo opportunity lang po dito. Try lang natin.
Sir, baka waitis yan.
Baka po biglang kumana yan. Ito na, sir, ito na. We are prepared, ladies and gentlemen. Special second edition po ng candle blowing ni Sir Gavin. Sir, close your eyes, make the biggest wish, and get ready to blow in 3, 2, 1!
Happy birthday to
Clap your hands, everybody!
Nung biglo umalis si Kuya.
Freeze! Everybody freeze! Stop the music. Gentlemen, habang nakatayo po tayong lahat, gagawa po tayo ng largest picture taking. Kapinpin Brothers, pwede po ba tayong pumaba po dito? Sama-sama po ang family. Oh guys, from here to there, dapat kitang-kita po ang lahat. Here at SM Mega Mall Event Center.
Jack, pumunta ka dito.
Alright. Tingnan nga po natin, sir. Asya po ba lahat?